Okay, here's the zip tie trick to bypass the governor. First thing you want to do is on your throttle is back out that screw right there all the way so your throttle can go all the way, and that'll do a little bit. But the big thing is you want to run a zip tie through that spring right there, and then attach the zip tie so that spring won't work, and then we'll show you what it does. It'll really get you moving.